Does the pole star always remain in the same place? It is widely believed that the pole star is used for centuries for navigation as it occupies the same place in the sky. However, that's not always the case. The Earth's poles are constantly wobbling. Currently, the North Pole is pointing toward the pole star, but in 13,727, it will be pointing toward the Vega star in the constellation of Lyra. Dwarf galaxy Betan 1 in the Pavo constellation, the galaxy is 28 million light-years from the Milky Way. Betan 1 was discovered by chance while studying the globular star cluster NGC 6752, behind which the galaxy is visually located. It is the cluster that appears at the beginning of the video. An intriguing feature of Betan 1 is that it is approximately 13 billion years old, according to astronomers' calculations. That is, it is one of the oldest galaxies known to man. Dyson Sphere. In 2015, astronomer Tabitha Boyajian reported that a star 1,400 light-years away sometimes dimmed quite a bit. One explanation was the assumption that the star is surrounded by a Dyson sphere. The idea, proposed many years ago by physicist Freeman Dyson, is that advanced civilizations may be building giant structures in space made up of a swarm of solar panels. It helps them gather enough starlight to develop technology and life. Such structures can sometimes interfere with the passage of light from the star, causing periodic blackouts visible from Earth. Earth-type tectonic plates discovered on Titan. Titan disposes of a thick crust of solid water ice and represents the only place other than Earth on whose surface there are lakes and seas filled with liquid. True, the liquid on Titan is represented by methane and ethane. Researchers believe that movement along faults on the surface is caused by diurnal tidal stresses resulting from the satellite's movement relative to its parent planet. Why do people care to colonize the moon? At least because the moon is rich in minerals. The moon holds so much helium-3 that it could completely power humanity's thermonuclear energy for more than 1,000 years. Enigma of a star with extraterrestrial structures. Scientists have explained the anomalous behavior of the Boyajian star, previously suspected of alien megastructures, artificial facilities on an astronomical scale built by an extraterrestrial civilization. Perhaps it simply has a companion star, causing irregular drops in brightness. The Boyajian star was discovered in 2015. It is a yellow-white dwarf about 1,470 light-years from Earth and is characterized by irregular dips in brightness that show no pattern. It excludes the presence of a planet.